Hey guys, it's Ben again. Today we're going to be cleaning up the wiring and I had other plans but I can't think of it right now. Let's have a look. We'll get a before of the wiring and then an after. So it's all a bit of a mess. Everything's just kind of run loosely there at the moment. In here's a little bit better. I spent a bit more time tidying yesterday. But it's still a little bit of a mess up there. We'll get in and sort it all out, eh? Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it at that for now. As you can see, much tidier. That's a bit of a mess still, but like there's a big fuse box sticks out of it and shit. These are the fusible links. I didn't want to cover them up. I still got the red, white and green wire down there and runs into red and white up here. It's all a bit of a bitch to get at, especially down there. So that's going to wait till the radiator hose comes off and I'll work my way along here. Getting up behind the brake booster is never going to be fun, and that bit there, but I don't think it looks too bad considering the front bit here is the main bit I wanted to tidy up, and sure come up pretty good. That tucks up under there now. I likey, much better. Look at me running. Oh, I made a little bit of mess. I don't know if you can tell, but it's black. I'm gonna strain this, see if there's any metal because the motor's just been rebuilt. See what's going on, and maybe open up that filter and see how it looks too. But I'll see. Now, when you put the new filter in, don't over tighten it. I've used this cool tool. It's like a big pair of pliers. but I haven't gone crazy tight. It's a little bit tighter than I could do by hand probably, because like my hand tightness is half as tight as other people's hand tightness, so it's always good to use a tool. Now I know it's going to take most of a 5 litre bottle, because it filled up most of a 5 litre container. So I've probably got a litre to go. I don't know what that is in American. You'll have to work it out yourself. Check the dipstick now. Okay, so when I check the dipstick, I pull it out, wipe it. There's your marks there. Put it back in. Oh, jiggle it in there, get in there. Now, sometimes they tell you not to push it in all the way, but on this, it all the way seemed right. Some cars would be different. Now, it's hard to tell where we're at there. Don't touch the body and the terminal with the dipstick. You'll know about that. Now, it's kind of splashing just up over the high there. So I'm gonna call that good. I think my first guesstimate pour was pretty spot on. So what I'll do now is start it up, make sure that's good, and if I need to top it up, I'll top it up, but I think I'll be right. And don't forget to put your oil cap back on, because you'll be spewing if you don't do that. Ooh. Especially if you got one with the elephant on it. Apparently, I couldn't tell you exactly how much, but these are worth some money. Well, for an oil cap anyway. Back on there. Fix up my heater hose holder. Goes back down there. And that's it. So I've tightened up the fan belt today, which you didn't see. And yeah, hopefully it should go good. Me new Dizzy was squealing like a pig too, so I sprayed some stuff. There's a little breather hole. Oh yeah, there it is down there. I sprayed some RP7 in there, and then I kind of went a bit crazy, and after about a minute it must have reached the right fuel air mixture with the RP7, and the points ignited it and it went boof and backfired out that little hole. That was pretty funny. So now all I got to do is move this car, clean up the ground, and we're about done. Okay, so I've just started it. Oil pressure's come straight up. Everything seems pretty good. I'll give it a couple of minutes and then check the dipstick again, and that's it. Alright, she's been running for a little bit now. I let it sit a couple of minutes for the oil to drain. Back to the pan, and we will go and check the dipstick and see, make sure she's full. Yep, so the dipstick's fine. Check the sump bolt, make sure there's no leaks around the sump, around the oil filter. We're good to go, all good. Probably leave it at that. I'll catch you later on.